as we continue to go down this prompting framework section, I'm excited because these frameworks are gonna get more and more interesting and more unique from the standard question and answer format with ChatGPT. So let's get into perspective prompting. And what this framework can do is help broaden your understanding and provide a more comprehensive view on a specific topic. And this is interesting because it can, at the end of the day, help you make more informed decisions and help you have a more nuanced understanding of complex situations and issues. So this prompt formula has two different use cases that we can use it for. The first style is singular perspective. This is where we want to do something like, please write a topic about a perspective from the viewpoint of one singular viewpoint. We'll go into an example of that. And then the next style, which is also really interesting, is the multiple perspective format. So what we would do for that formula is, please write an argument for or against a specific topic from multiple perspectives. I want you to include the names and point of view of each different perspective, and the viewpoints should be the following. So let's now hop into our singular perspective example, and then we'll hop into the multi-perspective example. So prompt number 1, please write about improving as a kickboxer from the perspective of a kickboxing coach. And there you have it. We have the technique, the physical and fitness conditioning, the strategy and tactics, the mental toughness and focus from the perspective of an expert, AKA in this situation, a kickboxing coach. Now you can leave it at that, and this is interesting because you can start to use ChatGPT to understand complex topics from different perspectives and from different fields of view. But the cool part is we could then ask the same prompt but from a different perspective. So please write about improving as a kickboxer, same topic that we want to look at, but from the perspective of a human anatomy expert. Now what ChatGPT is going to do is break this specific topic down, but from a physical standpoint. So we're talking about body mechanics, muscular strength and flexibility, injury prevention strategies, and seeing it from a completely different perspective. So you can use this for an endless amount of different topics and really develop a well-rounded field of view on that specific topic by seeing it from different perspectives. Now let's move on to our multiple point of view prompt. So we have our framework. Please write an argument for or against a specific topic from multiple points of view and include the names and point of views from the different perspectives, and the viewpoint should be the following. So I went ahead and filled this out, and we have, please write an argument against genetically modified organisms, aka GMOs, that consider multiple perspectives. Include the names and points of view from different perspectives, such as a farmer, a consumer, and a geneticist. And similar to our first style of singular prompting, this is going to give us now multiple styles, but in one single prompt. So we can look at GMOs from the perspective of a farmer, from a consumer, and from a geneticist, which is on the same exact topic, but with extremely different points of view. So this is an incredibly cool prompting framework that you can use to better understand your target audience, your clients, or even just better understand the world around you.